Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Antifi, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize enable and disable the auto rotate on your Poco M5s. For that, you want to go to your drop down menu, and here you can see lock orientation is enabled right now. So let's demonstrate real quick. We go to the Play Store, and if we turn the phone sideways, the screen will not shift sideways. If we go to our drop-down menu, then disable the screen lock orientation, then you can see, if we go back, that your screen will then shift sideways. If you want it to stop, then you go back and click on the lock orientation again, and then it's disabled again. So your screen will stay as it is then. So that's how you enable and disable the auto rotate on your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.